Hello, welcome. And in this video I'll show you how you can use the live speech feature to communicate on your iPhone 16e. So all you have to do to use it is just go to settings, and now you have to tap on the accessibility tab, and here find the live speech feature here. And first I would recommend turning it down, which is obvious, and choose the language, your language obviously, and unfortunately it's only available in English. And now if you triple click the side button, as you can see the keyboard has appeared, and now we can type something in.
Hello.
As you can see, the feature is in fact working. So if you enjoyed this video and consider it helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.